Hi, എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. Hi, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Sofiopedia. Today I'm going to share about an important thing which is helpful for the students as well as teachers. So what is that? Before that, I will just give you an introduction for this because you know that now it's digital learning is very, it's increased all over the world because of COVID pandemic situation. This is the one which we need to follow. Every kind of situation is we have to face. So these things we need to. Okay, so. In between ഇത് കട്ടാവുന്നുണ്ട് അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് കേട്ടോ. സോ വൈ ഐ എം സേയിങ് ഇൻ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ബിക്കോസ് ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ഹെൽപ്പ് ഫോർ ഈച്ച് ആൻഡ് എവ്രി വൺ. ഞാൻ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലും പറയാം മലയാളത്തിലും ഇത് ട്രാൻസ്ലേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് പറയാം ബിക്കോസ് ഇത് നമ്മുടെ ഇവിടെ മാത്രമല്ല പുറത്തും അതുപോലെ നാട്ടിലുള്ള ആൾക്കാർക്കും ഹെൽപ്ഫുൾ ആവണം എന്നുള്ള രീതിയിലാണ് ഈ ഒരു വീഡിയോ തന്നെ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പം അതുകൊണ്ട് ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലും പറയും മലയാളത്തിലും പറയാം. ഐ ഹാവ് ഓൾറെഡി ടോൾഡ് യു ദാറ്റ് വൺ ബിക്കോസ് ഐ വിൽ ഷെയർ ദിസ് വൺ ഇൻ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ആസ് വെൽ ആസ് മലയാളം. മൈ മദർ ടങ് ഇസ് മലയാളം, so English everyone knows, so need to say in English because students also have to know about this. That's why. Okay, then in this platform I'm going to share that so many technologies are available to take online classes. So many technologies, why we are sticking into one? So that is the thing. Okay, so school will provide Google Classroom or Microsoft Team or Zoom. That's okay, but we need to explore something. Our teachers have to explore something. Our students have to get more active learners. Okay, students have to be an active learners or active participants we need. Okay, so that's why in my classroom I'm using so many kinds of activities. I will tell you what kind of activities I'm doing in classroom. I mean, what kind of platforms I'm used to teach my students teaching learning process. So that I'm going to share here. For this digital learning, so many technologies is available. Technology, innovation, innovative ideas, the world is welcoming. Okay, so here the school will provide a particular platform, that is Google Classroom or Microsoft Team or Zoom. Okay, anything we can use, no problem, but as per the school school, which one is the school is providing, that we need to use. But in that also, like default one also having some kind of raise hands and whiteboard activities and all. But anyway, the teachers have to explore, students have to know something, that innovative apps are available, technologies are available. I don't know what the teachers are using or not, but anyway, this platform here I will explain the technologies available for the distance learning, for the students actively participation we need, and teachers have to explore easy way. That kind of things I'm going to explain here. Distance learning is one of the thing we can't know that the students what they are doing at home. Okay, because sometimes maybe okay they will do if they will listen, we can see that they are listening, but anyway they will use kind of so many options are there. They will use YouTube channel or opening on the site, and or they will do some kind of games or something. So we need to avoid that when we have to engage the students in the classroom. So the main thing is like we can use this apps, mobile apps also there. So most of the apps will not be available in laptop. Mobile apps are available, so everyone's are using mobile, so mobile apps are there, different mobile apps are there. So that apps, the first one is every students are using Quizzes, and the second one is Padlet. The link also I will mention here in the description box, so the teachers or the students can open. Free trial also will be there. You can open and then practice. That is also Padlet there. That is one of the most most of the people or most of the teachers or most of the students are using the Quizzes and Padlet. That's also good one, but the teachers will think like, yeah, why I'm using so many kinds of activities in this classroom, 1 hour, how we will use so many activities and all. So we need to explore. The students have stick into one activity. What kind of thing is this? We fear thinking we have to stick in one activity. That is not a thing. So students have to explore more. They need to know that these kinds of things are available in the world. Okay, so that's why I'm just using Lino activity. Lino. That is also very good. Students will engage. They can post pictures. They can write something over there. So the same thing, same as Lino is Jamboard. Jamboard is also one of the kind of platform is available in online. Okay, Pearl Tree is that's another one. Okay, Pearl Tree is also one of the kind of a platform which is available in the mobile and the laptop also, and that's very good, very kind of nice activities which we can provide over there. And then another one is Nearport. Some of the schools are using Nearport. That's also good. Another one is Walklet. Walklet is also a very good activity. I have tried in my classroom. That's good. Students are enjoying when they are doing that one. Airport also very good ones. And quizzes also, so many kind of methods are there. They need to explore that with the teachers. Don't stick into one activity. Again, I'm saying don't stick into one activity, because the students, they are sitting at home, they will be like get bored when we are teaching lecturing method. So activities, exploring. One day we have to give one activity, next day we have to give another activity. They will be enjoy. I'm sure that they will enjoy. Walklet is one of the app is available for the distance learning, and Populate is also one of the app is available for the distance learning. So we need to use these kinds of things. Why we are sticking into, again I'm saying, why we are sticking into one platform or two platform? We have to explore. The students also have to know that the teacher knows something, or teachers know something about the technologies. So students also will be like, Poplet is available, Walklet is available, then Kahoot is available. So each and everything is available. World is giving a much so many technologies we need to use. The students have to know that the teachers knows everything. Yeah, we need to impress our students, we need to engage our students, we need an active participation of our students. Then only they will learn, because this pandemic situation, we have to make our students to know something more than the classroom which we had previously. So then only they can improve a lot. Okay, so I think this video will be helpful for you. Okay, next video I'll come up with another one. So thank you so much for listening my video. We'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.